Yeah, hi guys, there's definitely a reason why we want to buy such metal GoPro mounts here with the screw and the mount itself. I've been just coming in 5 minutes ago from recording a quick scene with my DJI Action 4, walking into my office, and I heard something dropping and I thought, what's that? I went looking for what it is, and you can see that's the thing. I mean, that's the thing which was remaining, because this stuff here was dropping on the floor and I didn't touch, I didn't hit, I didn't do anything. I can tell you, these things, they can fall apart pretty much out of nothing. You won't believe how much this has already happened to me, and every time it happens to me, I just dump it, of course, and buy a new metal mount, metal screw, like the one here from Niewalda. That's one which I've bought 3 years ago, and so with this thing here I never have to be worried again. You can see still after 3 years it's in absolute perfect condition. There's absolutely nothing to say about that. Looks like on day one, works like on day one, absolutely awesome. And so I'm going to replace all these GoPro adapters here one after each other, exactly with this here. By the way, also this one here, that's not a plastic one, that's the metal part of the Niewalda. Just for some reason I put the black screw somewhere where I can't find it anymore, but I'm going to buy another set now, so I have also the black metal screw here and don't have to be worried about that my action cam or whatsoever is dropping on the floor and then be damaged. So that's what I wanted to let you know. Just go with this stuff and not with the plastic stuff which can fall apart and then damage your valuable camera or whatsoever. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.